Oh, snow pellets. No, you stay, trouble. I go get my saw out of the back of the truck. Oh, and I got a new hat, by the way. It's waterproof. It's trying to snow. Hi, lady. I see you. I'll make you some more shavings today, okay? I'm gonna get a break in this stuff. And my saw is, yep, getting covered with snow and ice. I'm gonna set it underneath the trailer. And yeah, the generator's running. Knock some snow off of it at least. I gotta cut those cedar rounds up later too for in the house. That's my fire starter stuff. I'm gonna go back inside. It is pretty though. It's trying to snow. It's just got the snow pellets. See, little pellets of ice. They're not hard like hail. It's just they're soft pellets. So maybe we'll get some snow after all. We'll see. Time will tell. It is pretty though. Lady, get in your house. In your house. Goofy girl. Stay out of the desk, okay? You stay inside. You stay inside there. Stay warm and dry. You're coming out here and getting wet. We've been moving my tires around. I guess she gets bored when I'm gone, so she plays with them. Alright, I gotta go inside. I don't think them clothes are gonna dry out here. Oops. And yeah, it's snowing now. Snow pellets are gone. It laid the foundation for the snow. I already got a good inch. An inch and a half. But yeah, it's snowing. And this thing that I set up over here, put it down storm mode and it's doing alright. It's dry underneath. So that would be good. It would keep you dry, at least when it's all wet and nasty out here. Yeah, I'm gonna go back inside. I don't have my jacket on or nothing. And you stay inside, okay? Please stay inside. Here's your stick. Here's your stick. Here. Okay? You got slushy water. Stay inside and stay dry so you stay warm. Don't be goofy and be out in it, okay? Not when it's doing this. Yep. Gonna get some snow now. I have to do my porch so I don't slip and bust my butt coming out.